Hello YouTube, it's your Uncle Neffy, and today we're back once again with another banger. Make sure you go ahead on comment, like, subscribe, and share the video, baby. Now today we gonna cut my hair. I gotta cut my hair, y'all. It just getting out of control. I gotta shave too. I'm gonna shave too. Now we gonna be back with more. We ain't ready. Make sure you do what they do, baby. Neffy, you ready? Yeah, Mr. Random, you too? Yeah, I'm ready, Neffy. Oh, let's go. Ooh. Today, we gonna cut my hair. We gonna cut it too. We gonna cut it good. My hair has been growing out of control, and it's getting old. Now, if you like the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe for sure, baby. You see what's in my eye? I got a ring in my eye too. And this one too, he got the ring too. Now let's go. Neffy? Huh? You ready? Alright. Yeah, let's go. Y'all ready to cut my hair? Now, I got to cut my hair. Oh, my line. Oh, my. What alright. Alright, now I'm going to show y'all how to cut the hair now. We gonna cut it too, and it's gonna be alright. Y'all just bear with me and hit the line. Here we go, y'all. Y'all ready? We gonna cut it too. We gonna cut it too. Alright, YouTube. First, we're gonna start by removing the hair. Don't judge me because I don't have my hand. First, we're gonna start by removing the hair. Now, we're gonna go ahead on and grab our clippers. The clippers that we gonna be using today is well. They big like a well too. And we got the well 1-inch guard, y'all. So, you got the well. And you gotta do swell. You got to do swell, baby. You can't go wrong with wells. I am telling you, honey. You cannot go wrong. Now, first, what you want to do, you want to go ahead on and plug it out. Oh, go ahead on and plug it out. Now, once you got it plugged up, you grab them. You grab them in your hand, too. And you unravel all the cord that you got to unravel, too. You unravel it, too. So, right now you got your well clippers, you got your 1-inch guard. Go ahead on, pop your guard off. Make sure it's nice and clean. This is my toothbrush too. When I was a baby. This is my toothbrush too. When I was a baby. You clean the clippers off. You got to clean them all, y'all. You keep the clippers clean too. So you go ahead on, clean your clippers off. And you get your guard too. You can get the guard too. Now you go ahead and you put your a little lubricant on them while they're running too. Go ahead and you put that juice on there too. You put your guard on. Now you go ahead and put your guard on. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead on and you cut your clippers on too. You cut them on, you don't want to lose that guard. If you lose the guard, it's over. You know what happens when you lose the guard. Go ahead on. We're gonna cut that hair. I cut my hair. I cut my hair too. I cut my hair. We gonna do good. I always cut my hair. I've been cutting my hair for 15 years now. I've been cutting my hair for 15 years straight. You hear me? We gonna do good. I'm gonna pull that air back. I'm gonna touch that back too. Alright too. It's gonna come out alright.
Like you lost another one.
my shirt off, but I ain't want y'all to see my taco meat. So we're gonna go ahead on, take your guard off too. Go ahead on and come back with your toothbrush. And clean your clippers off. And wipe your clippers off with your toothbrush. Get them nice and pretty. You can wipe your guard and wipe your guard too. Now you want to go ahead on and give it the final trim down. On it. Wipe your head down. Now we got the Andes. We got the straight Andes with the T outside blade. I really don't line myself too. I just let it grow. Cause you see, I don't have much as it is now. You see, we got the Andes right here. Now we're gonna go ahead on and lube them up too. You got the lube right here, y'all. Go ahead on and put the juice on too. Put the juice right there. Why are you running to? Oh, okay. You cut it on. Come on now, get the juice. Get that juice flowing, honey. It don't come. If it don't come, you just go ahead on and give it a little push. It was stuck. Now she balking now. Yeah, now she balking. Now, you gonna go ahead, you gonna let it balk too. Now, we're gonna go ahead on and we're gonna get it straight.
Oh, that felt good. Now we're gonna go ahead on and we're gonna get right, y'all. Trying to.
You want to go ahead on and give them a brush off. Alright, gang, y'all see when they made something out of nothing. Yeah, I'm going barber. Pretty good, huh? Mustache straight, trimmed up, big gone. So yeah, man, or lady or gentlemen, if you found this video helpful, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Mr. Random gonna be back for more. I ain't growing no more fruit.